Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Effortlessly sync your Garmin data to your phone for insights and updates, making your fitness journey seamless. Connecting your Garmin to your phone unlocks real-time notifications, detailed activity tracking, and important firmware updates. This guide will show you how to link your device quickly and efficiently, ensuring all your health and performance stats are always at your fingertips. You will be able to manage your device settings and customize your experience right from your smartphone. Before we dive in, there are a few essential steps to prepare. First, ensure your Garmin device is fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the setup. Next, you will need to download and install the official Garmin Connect app from your phone's App Store. It is available for both iOS and Android. Finally, turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and make sure it is discoverable, ready for your Garmin to find it. Now let's initiate the connection. Open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. If you are new, you will need to create an account or simply sign in. Once inside the app on your Garmin device itself, navigate to its settings menu. Look for an option that says Phone or Pair Phone and select it. Your Garmin will then enter pairing mode, actively searching for a connection and making itself visible to your smartphone. With your Garmin in pairing mode, return to the Garmin Connect app. You should see an option to Add Device or a prompt to search for nearby devices. Tap this, then choose your specific Garmin model from the list. A unique pairing code will appear on both your phone and your Garmin device. Confirm these codes match to finalize the connection. Allow a few moments for your device to sync its initial data and settings with the app. Sometimes, things do not go perfectly on the first try. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that Bluetooth is active on your phone and that the Garmin Connect app is running in the foreground. If the connection still fails, try restarting both your phone and your Garmin device, then repeat the pairing steps. Staying connected ensures you consistently receive notifications, important software updates, and enjoy seamless data uploads to track your progress effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.